Whenever I ask some aspiring entrepreneur, what is one thing that is stopping you from starting your entrepreneurial journey? You would be surprised. 99.9% times I've got the answer funding. In Hindi they say paisa hota to. Now this is a problem that they fail to secure funds. They don't have money. They just look at the different ways of getting it and still they have the problems. So today I will be talking about the problems that an aspiring entrepreneur face while trying to secure funds. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna, and as an edupreneur I have been talking about entrepreneurship education and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship needs two things. First is skill development and the other is business creation. Now for business creation, the most common thing that people think is securing funding. If I get 1 crore rupees, 5 crore rupees, I will do this, that. Let me tell you one thing. You will not get funds unless you are already doing it. You get funds if you are doing it without funds. Otherwise you will not get it. Simple भाषा में चलती गाड़ी में पैसा लगाते हैं लोग, रुकी हुई में नहीं. काम कर रहे हो तो पैसा मिल जाएगा और काम कर पाओगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज यू वॉन्ट टू ट्रेवल इन अ बस. अब बस में जाना है और बस रुकी हुई है तो चढ़ के टिकट नहीं लेते हम, और बस रुकी हुई है. ड्राइवर भी बेवकूफ़ बनाने के लिए थोड़ा थोड़ा चलाएगा और रोकेगा ताकि आपको लगे चलती बस है. पर अगर दूसरी बस आई तो आप फटाक से उतर के उसमें चढ़ जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि चलती बस में ही टिकट लेते हैं और आगे जाने का फ़ायदा होता है. हम तो कस्टमर हैं, 10 रुपये की टिकट लेनी है. इमेजिन द पर्सन हु नीड्स टू फंड इट. He'll be investing in lakhs and crores in you, maybe millions and billions. So you need to be already doing it. And that is the problem that the entrepreneurs face, that they are not already doing it. They have ideas. And if you have idea and you are not doing it, then you are not an entrepreneur. You are a person who's just seeking funds, not for a business idea. You need to have your personal credibility to earn the money to get the funding. And that credibility comes when you already do it. And that is why we don't ask you to prepare the best or be the perfect. What we say, don't wait to start after you are perfect. Start to be the perfect. So that is what is required. You need to start today so that you become perfect for tomorrow and your product improves and evolves every time. And once you start selling it, it can be improved, it can be worked out. MVP, minimum viable product, needs to be sold before you go for the final product. And this is what is missing in entrepreneurs. This is what people don't realize. This is what entrepreneurs don't understand. I must say, it's not all about entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs understand this. The aspiring people, those who complain, पैसा होता तो करते. पैसा तो तब होगा ना जब करोगे. पैसा तब आता है जब करते हैं. तो पहले काम करो फिर पैसा आएगा. सीधी सी रूल है. करने के बाद आता है. चलती गाड़ी में टिकट लेते हैं, रुकी गाड़ी में कोई नहीं. Hope this information would help you to secure more loans and understand what are the problems that as an aspiring entrepreneur you have been creating for yourself. Be happy, be entrepreneur and live the life of abundance. And if you want to continue your journey of unboxing more entrepreneurship for yourself, keep liking, subscribing and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families and fellows. Thank you.